Hey everybody, it's Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on a 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. So first, open the glove box. Then you need to release the damper. On these cars, you just have a Phillips screw right here. So remove that. Then pop the damper off. Then squeeze both sides of the glove box inward, lower it down, and then you can pull it right off the hinges. The filter is behind this cover right here. There's a tab on each side. Release those. Take the cover off, and then pull the filter out. Be careful if there's a lot of debris on top because it could fall off the back onto the blower motor. Then you'll have to clean the blower motor out. My filter needed replacement. Now take a look at your new filter. It should be marked which direction the air flows. On most cars, the air flows from the top down to the bottom. So the arrow should be pointing down. So just slide the new filter in. A lot of times the cover is also directional. It may also say which direction the air flows to help you out. So just pop that back in, then put the glove box back on. Make sure you get the hinges popped back in. Squeeze the sides, bring it back up, make sure it moves smoothly. And then put the damper back on and screw it down. And that's how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.